Hi friends, welcome to Tech News 13. It's July 23rd and here are the top tech news updates so far today. Remember, I told you that Airtel giveaway Perplexity Pro to its users in previous video. Well, that one move changed this game. Thousands of users have now shifted from ChatGPT to Perplexity, making its number one app from Play Store and iOS. Why? Because it's just not a chatbot. It's a real-time AI-powered search engine. Now Perplexity Pro has got smarter. Choose between ChatGPT 4.1, Cloud 4 or Gemini 2.5 image generations. AI Lab Access, summarized answers from the web, clean, fast search, no ads, no fluff. So maybe it could beat ChatGPT domination in the Indian market sector because Airtel is giving to its user for free for 1 year. Next, Perplexity CEO Arvind Srinivas also has a message for the youth. Stop doom scrolling. Start mastering AI. In a podcast, he warned that AI is evolving faster than the humans can adopt. Those who learn AI tools today, they'll have better jobs tomorrow. He says AI will replace some jobs, yes, but also create brand new ones. So for me, it's like those days we used to write notes on paper, but now on computer. So this is how we have to move. We have to adopt the new things and we have to upskill our stuff what we do and move on to get a new job or new stuff what we do. That's how this world works. Next one. Magic mushrooms may slow down aging. A study by Armory University found that psilocin, a compound in psychedelic mushrooms, made human cells live 50% longer. And in mice or rat, those given controlled psilocin lived 30% longer and aged better. Even had shinier fur and hair regrowth. It reduces oxidative stress, preserves DNA, and protects telomeres. Those little caps on chromosomes that slow aging. Could this be future of anti-aging therapy? We need more studies, but this potential is huge because the current anti-aging market is all about 500 million revenue in last 2024. So everyone wants anti-aging because we can't buy time. So at least with money we can anti-age ourselves so we can live further few more days. Now let's check space news. Jupiter moon Europa isn't just an icy shell. It likely has a giant underwater ocean with twice as much water as Earth. Thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, we now know the surface of Jupiter is geographically active and areas of ice are crystallizing differently, a sign of internal movement and heat. Some scientists now believe this could be one of the best chances for life beyond Earth. And stay tuned for more daily tech news updates. Thanks for watching 01 Byte. Have a great day.